Welcome back, adventurers! Today, we're diving into the world of action cameras, uncovering the top 5 best picks of 2024. Whether you're shredding the slopes, catching waves, or exploring hidden trails, these cameras are your ultimate companions for capturing every adrenaline-filled moment. Let's jump right in. Number 1, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is not just a camera. It's a gateway to immersive storytelling. Packed with cutting-edge technology, this compact powerhouse redefines what's possible in the world of action photography and videography. With its advanced 8K video resolution and 64-megapixel photo capabilities, the Hero 12 Black captures every moment with astonishing clarity and detail. Whether you're shredding the slopes, diving into the depths, or exploring remote landscapes, this camera ensures that every adventure is preserved in breathtaking quality. Enhanced stabilization technology keeps your footage smooth and steady, even in the most extreme conditions, while improved low-light performance allows you to capture vibrant images in any environment. But the Hero 12 Black isn't just about capturing the action, it's about sharing it with the world. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can instantly upload your footage to social media or stream it live to friends and followers, keeping them engaged and inspired by your adventures in real time. Compact, durable, and waterproof up to 33 feet, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is ready to accompany you on all your adventures, helping you capture every thrilling moment with unparalleled clarity and precision. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to unleash your creativity and let the Hero 12 Black be your guide to epic storytelling. Number 2, prepare to elevate your adventure photography to new heights with the DJI Osmo Action 4. Engineered with state-of-the-art technology and innovative features, this compact powerhouse is designed to capture every moment with stunning clarity and precision. Equipped with a powerful 1-inch sensor and advanced image processing capabilities, the Osmo Action 4 delivers breathtaking 4K video resolution and crisp 20-megapixel photos, ensuring that every detail is preserved in vivid detail. Whether you're hiking rugged trails, shredding mountain slopes, or exploring underwater depths, this camera empowers you to unleash your creativity and capture stunning visuals like never before. Featuring rock-steady 2.0 stabilization technology, the Osmo Action 4 keeps your footage smooth and steady, even in the most challenging conditions, allowing you to focus on the moment without worrying about shaky footage. Additionally, its waterproof design enables you to dive up to 60 meters underwater, opening up a world of possibilities for capturing awe-inspiring aquatic adventures. With convenient features like voice control, dual-screen display, and built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, the Osmo Action 4 makes it easier than ever to capture, edit, and share your adventures with the world. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a novice explorer, this camera empowers you to push the boundaries of creativity and document your adventures in stunning detail. So, gear up and unleash your inner storyteller with the DJI Osmo Action 4. Number 3, step into the future of immersive filmmaking with the Insta360 Ace Pro. Designed for professional filmmakers and content creators, this cutting-edge 360-degree camera redefines what's possible in the world of virtual reality and immersive storytelling. Equipped with a powerful 10K resolution and advanced image stabilization technology, the Ace Pro delivers stunningly detailed footage that transports viewers into the heart of the action. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, dynamic sports events, or immersive VR experiences, this camera ensures that every moment is captured with unrivaled clarity and precision. Featuring Insta360 signature flow state stabilization, the Ace Pro keeps your footage buttery smooth, even in the most challenging shooting conditions. Say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to professional-grade results that will leave your audience spellbound. But the Ace Pro isn't just about capturing stunning visuals, it's also about streamlining your workflow and unleashing your creativity. With advanced editing tools and seamless integration with industry-standard software, you can bring your vision to life with ease, whether you're editing on the go or in the studio. Compact, durable, and packed with features, the Insta360 Ace Pro is the ultimate tool for filmmakers who demand nothing but the best. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or a rising star, elevate your storytelling to new heights with the Insta360 Ace Pro and immerse your audience in unforgettable experiences. Number 4. Dive into your next adventure fearlessly with the Olympus Tough TG6, the ultimate companion for explorers, adventurers, and thrill seekers alike. Engineered to withstand the harshest conditions, this rugged camera is built to accompany you on every journey, from mountaintop expeditions to underwater escapades. Equipped with a high-resolution 12-megapixel sensor and an ultra-bright f/2.0 lens, the TG6 delivers stunning image quality in any environment, capturing every detail with remarkable clarity and precision. Whether you're exploring sunlit beaches or dimly lit caves, this camera ensures that your memories are preserved in vibrant color and sharp detail. But the TG6 isn't just about capturing stunning photos. It's also a powerful tool for capturing dynamic video footage. With 4K video recording capabilities and advanced image stabilization technology, you can document every moment of your adventure with cinematic quality, whether you're hiking, snorkeling, or snowboarding. Designed for durability, the TG6 is waterproof up to 50 feet, shockproof up to 7 feet, crushproof up to 220 pounds, and freeze-proof down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the perfect camera for even the most extreme conditions. Plus, its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or a weekend warrior, the Olympus Tough TG6 empowers you to push the limits of your creativity and capture unforgettable moments with confidence. So, grab your TG6 and let your adventurous spirit soar. Number 5. The Akaso Brave 7LE is more than just a camera. It's your ultimate companion for capturing every moment of your adventures in stunning detail. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrain, diving into crystal-clear waters, or embarking on adrenaline-fueled escapades, this versatile camera is designed to keep pace with your wildest journeys. Equipped with dual screens, including a front-facing screen for effortless selfie capture, the Brave 7LE ensures that you never miss a shot. Its 4K Ultra HD video resolution and 20-megapixel photo capabilities deliver breathtakingly vivid imagery, allowing you to relive your most epic moments with unparalleled clarity. Featuring electronic image stabilization, EIS, and adjustable viewing angles, this camera keeps your footage steady and your compositions dynamic, even in the midst of fast-paced action. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI connectivity, you can easily share your adventures with friends and family or stream them to your favorite social media platforms in real time. Waterproof up to 131 feet and equipped with a durable housing, the Brave 7LE is built to withstand the elements, so you can focus on your adventures without worrying about your gear. Compact, lightweight, and packed with features, it's the perfect companion for adventurers of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned thrill seeker or a weekend warrior, the Akaso Brave 7LE empowers you to capture your adventures like never before. So, gear up, press record, and let the Brave 7LE be your window to a world of unforgettable experiences.